BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So on the 28th of September, Microsoft has now announced that the new Outlook for Windows is available to all Office insiders. Now, I've been posting some videos over the last couple of months, just keeping you up to date regarding the new Outlook for Windows. So I thought we could just use a couple of screenshots provided by Microsoft once again and just quickly go through that announcement just to keep you up to date if you would be interested. And that's regarding the developments and obviously some of the new features. Now, Microsoft mentions in that announcement that starting the 28th of September, members of the Office Insiders community on current channel preview will begin to have access and be able to explore the new Outlook for Windows. Now, they also say that in the coming weeks, it will also be made available for Windows insiders using a similar toggle within the Windows Mail app. Now, how this is all going to work, if we just take a look at the second screenshot, they say that if you are signed up as an Office insider and running beta channel or current channel preview builds, all you need to do is slide the new Outlook toggle located in the upper right corner of your classic Outlook for Windows and follow the on-screen instructions. And you can always roll back if you want to go back to the classic Outlook, and you can just switch the toggle off as shown in the screenshot. And basically the new features, just to have a look at a couple of the new improvements and features that have rolled out. You have the ability to support Microsoft accounts now, where you can add your personal Outlook.com, Hotmail, or Windows Live email accounts to this new Outlook for Windows. And then also there's quick steps, and just to mention this quickly, which save you time and shows personalized actions that you can use repeatedly to keep your inbox clean and organized, and newsletters or important files in easy reach according to Microsoft. And then another new improvement is dynamic calendar column widths, where Microsoft says you can adjust the width of columns in your calendar, letting you customize how much space to give each day as you view the details of your weekly schedule. And then you also get simplified ribbon options, which let you see new pared down ribbon options that give a sleeker look and feel that is easier to navigate as you email. And then the last new feature, according to that announcement, is tips in Outlook, where you can also see tips in the calendar board view, giving you everything you need to plan your schedule in one place, according to Microsoft. And Microsoft mentions in that announcement that the new features above will build upon the early preview version they rolled out in May of this year, 2022. And the requirements for the new Outlook for Windows is that you need a minimum OS version of Windows 10 version 1809. And also at this time, a Microsoft Work or School account or a personal Microsoft account and an internet connection at this time. And as mentioned, that's been made available now, the new Outlook for Windows, and that's available to all Office insiders as of the 28th of September 2022. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.